Hello, today we are going to draw tortoise. First we will start by making the head. Drawing head little rounder and joining the line of the head to the neck. Now lower side of the mouth and joining it to the neck. Now we will start drawing his feet. Next is eyes. Let's draw little big eyes for tortoise. Drawing little semicircle, and the upper part is also a semicircle little big. First inner part and now a circle inside. Now start drawing with his back part, or you can say the shell part. Now we will draw the upper part of the shell, which is also a semicircle but little big. Now we will draw the back feet. And a small little tail. Now we will draw little cubical shapes for the design of the shell of the tortoise. Don't try to make too much of cubical shapes, otherwise it will look like a cluster. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.